Think a shipping container is just a temporary metal box? Think again. These steel giants are built to survive the roughest oceans on the planet. But how long can they really last when you turn one into a home or a workshop? On average, a standard container lasts about 25 years, but with the right care, that number can skyrocket. It all starts with their first life at sea, which usually lasts around a decade. Even after they're retired from cargo ships, most of their structural strength remains perfectly intact thanks to specialized Corten steel that's designed to resist deep corrosion. Once you transition one into a stationary structure, the aging process slows down significantly. In a dry environment, you could easily see 30 to 40 years of use. However, there is a silent killer you need to watch out for: ground moisture. Placing your container directly on damp soil can cause it to rot from the bottom up in record time. By simply elevating it just a few inches off the ground with concrete piers or gravel, you provide the airflow needed to stop rust before it starts.
You can see the
Don't forget the
elevation
roof
right here.
either.
This
Since
is
it's
why
the
the water
thinnest part,
intrusion wasn't as
applying a
severe as we
reflective
predicted,
coating seals
and
the
how we
metal
plan to fix
and
it.
keeps your interior much cooler. Whether you choose a pristine one-trip unit for a long-term home or a battle-scarred used model for storage, focusing on a solid foundation and a bit of zinc-rich primer ensures your investment stands strong for decades to come.